Okay, so division. Now I can hear you groaning already. Trust me, this is not difficult. The only reason people have problems with division is because they're not very good with their multiplication tables. So let's say we want to divide 5 into 565. Now 5's into 5, well, we know that goes once. What we're saying with division is how many lots of 5 are there in 565. But we take this one number at a time. So I know that there's one lot of 5 in 5. So I go to the next number. Now 5's into 6. Well, we have one lot of 5 in 6, and we have one left over. Now all we do is we carry whatever we've got left over to the next number. So instead of 5, this now becomes 15. Now 5's into 15. Well, I know that 3 5's are 15. And so 5 into 565 is 113. Now if we stick with 5's, because most people are quite happy dealing with 5's and their 5 times table, but I do need to make the point that you need to know your multiplication tables. It's as important as knowing your alphabet if you're doing English. So let's say with 5's because it's a nice easy number and people feel comfortable with it. So let's say we've got 5 into 1, 2, 5. Now 5's into 1. Now we know we can't divide 5 into 1 because 1 is less than 5. So all we do is we carry this number, the 1, over to the next number. So the 2 now becomes 12. So we start again. 5's into 12. I know 2 5's are 10, which leaves me a remainder of 2. So the remainder just keeps getting carried across. So 5's into 25, I know 5 5's are 25. So let's add a few more numbers. Oh yes, let's add a few numbers. So we've gone 5's into 25 is 5. Now 5's into 1, again we know we can't divide into 5 into 1, so we show this by putting a 0, and this 1 gets carried across again. 5's into 13, well 2 5's are 10, giving us 3 left over. 5's into 35 goes 7. So you can see we're only hitting one number at a time. We're not interested in the size of the number. This is what puts people off. For example, if I do 5 into 8, 2, 1, 3, 6, 2, 1, 4, 7, 0. Now most people at this point panic because they see this number and they go, it's massive, I can't possibly do that. Yes, you can. We go one number at a time. We're only interested in 5 into 8. We have no interest in these numbers until we get there. So 5's into 8 goes once, and we have 3 left over, so that 3 is carried across. 5's into 32. Well, I know 6 5's are 30, So that leaves me 2, and I carry that across. 5s into 21, 4, because 4 5s are 20, with 1 left over. 5s into 13, I know 2 5s are 10, so that leaves me 3, which I carry over. Remember, it's always the remainder we carry across. 5s into 36, or 5 7s are 35, leaving me 1. 5s into 12, 2 5s are 10, leaving me 2. 5s into 21, well, 4 5s are 20, leaving me a remainder of 1. 5s into 14, 2 5s are 10, remainder 4. 5s into 47, now this is where your times tables kick in, so I know 5 9s are 45, remainder 2, and 5s into 20 goes 4. So this is our answer, and you've just divided 5 into 8,213,621,470. How good do you want to be? As I said, the size of the number means nothing. You will make mistakes. If you make a mistake, nobody dies. It's just practice. If you make a mistake, go back, find out where the mistake was, and then learn from it. Promise you, this is as difficult as it gets. Now sometimes we will have a number at the end, because these numbers divide exactly, but this is dealt with in the decimal part, and don't worry, it's no more difficult. So practice this, and if you get this, then most maths will just fall over. So good luck, and just practice.